na wherever they are, kay isa kang katulong, isa kang
That's
engineer,
correct,
isang
yeah.
teacher or driver ng taxi, okay, may pag-asa.
May pag-asa, you know. Success is not measured on what your position is sa isang kumpanya or what. Makikita mo nga yung karamihan na talaga nagpupursue ay yung nasa lower natin na strata because they don't stop dreaming. There are classic example. Yung sa mga, kung sa atin pa ay mga blue-collar job. They're here, they labor, they toil because they have a family that they want to, you know, uplift, you know, the standards of living. So it's not relative to what your position in the company is. It is a drive from within.
Opo.
So it's an individual drive and the discipline on how to pursue your goals.
Alright.
Okay, ang ganda mga nasabi natin. So, nasabi ni Tess, uplift, ano. So, ito naman talagang programa ng FEME is we really uplift, inspire, encourage, and empower our guests. So, kung meron po kayo mga mensahe or katanungan kay Tess, mag-text lang po sa Tess Text. So, kay Tess, mag-text po sa 4001 or mag-comment lang po or mag-shout sa Facebook page ng Filipino Excellence Middle East or Filipino Rhythm Dubai 103.8. Babalik po kami.
Wow, bursts of joyous colours ushering in the new year at Burj Khalifa.
Another inspiring moment captured on the award-winning Panasonic Lumix G-Series camera, the smart and professional interchangeable lens camera for brilliant photos even in low-light conditions, backed by advanced Japanese technology and a 3-year warranty. Visit Panasonic stores or any leading electronics retailer for special DSF offers on Panasonic Lumix G-Series cameras.
Panasonic, ideas for life. With our vast experience in prosthetics and orthotics, the Dynamic Medical team provides high-quality service from start to finish. Dynamic Medical offer custom-made artificial limbs, corrective aids, medical equipment, and shoes to relieve the symptoms of a wide range of deformities and illnesses. To receive a complimentary assessment, visit our centers in Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, and Dubai, or find us online to learn more. Dynamic Medical, solutions for a more active life. This advert has been approved by the Ministry of Health.
I'm the Wicked Witch of Wassel, and I curse you to 100 years of bad seas.
Harmy hearties! Don't listen to that old bat. Just batten down the hatches and head for the buffet.
I know what you're getting for your birthday. I have felt your presence.
Mr. Ben's Costume Closet. Quite simply the best for fancy dress.
Go to MrBenDubai.com for all your fancy dress party answers.
Filipino Rhythm with Alansari Exchange. Your first choice for all your financial needs.
Magandang gabi po, kayo po yung nakikinig sa programang Filipino Excellence in the Middle East. Ito po ang second segment namin at ang guest natin, unang guest natin is si Tess Taripe Digdigan. Siya po ay isang Chief Accountant at Presidente po ng PICPA or Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountants in Dubai and Northern Emirates. El, may tanong ka kay Tess? Follow through pala?
Gusto ko lang ibalik uli dun sa You Always Have a Choice, okay? Kasi senaryo ito ng isang OFW, okay? Pumunta ng Dubai, tapos may pangarap sa buhay na magkaroon ng isang maayos. Ngayon, for some reason, nagkaroon sila ng maling pagpili. Diba? Choose. Maling pagpipili. At ngayon ay humaharap, let's say, sa mabigat na problema katulad ng credit card problem and all this, nawala ng trabaho. That's beyond their control, diba, Ma'am Tess? Ngayon, isisegue lang natin sa You Always Have a Choice. Ang sinabi nga po natin sa wall natin, bilang FEME, we are encouraging you not to say wala kaming choice, kasi there's always a choice. Okay, so let's say nawalan ka ng work, okay, meron kang pagpipilian na maghanap ng trabaho or magmukmok, umuwi ng Pilipinas. Maraming choices at sinasabi din ng iba, Ma'am Tess, na yun nga, wala naman kaming choice dito na lang kami. Dito na lang, kung ano yung buhay nila, ganun na lang. But hindi nila naiisip na sa paggising pa lang ng umaga, meron silang option to wash their face, brush their teeth, take a shower, pray first, whatever. Right. So, laging merong choices. So, ngayon, bilang ikay presidente ng isang organisasyon dito sa gitnang silangan, lalo na sa Dubai, ano naman ang option na binibigay mo sa katulad mong mga accountant dito sa Dubai?
We have always an option or choice when we wake up. Whatever it is, there is always there. It's for us to grab.
Opo.
So like for Pikpa Dubai, we provide trainings and seminars like letters of credit. Para yung iba, kahit hindi mga accountants, is open to all. So kasi kahit mga secretary, multitasking na tayo ngayon
Uso yan dito.
So it's like receptionist, kung accountant or whatever. So it's an advantage for you to upgrade yourself by attending trainings, seminars, which we give. Not only PICPA, but other organizations.
That
They have
is
computer
correct.
programs, there's this AutoCAD.
Opo.
All other Filipino organizations are sharing, are imparting this. So it's just a matter of us to spend time and, upgrade ourselves. It is just there. Like also for those who are non-board passers or non-licensed ones, not only the engineers, but also we, the CPAs here in Dubai, we have a CPA review program.
Okay.
So it gave the OFW the chance to be a licensed accountant. So it's like certified public accountants while working here in Dubai.
All right. So
And that is a choice.
that is a choice.
Yes.
Okay. And you choose to bring two of the recent CPA
Passers.
board passers.
Yeah, very proud to have with me Mr. Erwin Pineda and Mr. Sherwin Rempilio, recent passers of the Philippine licensure exam, which was held in Abu Dhabi last December, and the result was just released last week.
Okay,
Wow,
wonderful.
so congratulations
Mga bagong
sino to si
pasa.
Erwin tapos si Sherwin ba rhyme pa no? Okay, Erwin Pineda.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Erwin, pangilang board exam mo na ba ito?
Actually, this is my first time to take the board exam. And bragging aside, I was the only one first-timer who took the board exam, who passed the exam.
Wow,
This-
congratulations.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oo. So,
Yeah, and that is after 17 years after graduation.
After 17 years ka na kumuha ng board exam.
curious nga
Exactly.
ako malaman
Galing.
dyan Erwin. Alam mo ba si Daddy Blue, accountant yan. Ano din yan, cum laude pa yan, ha? Okay, so gusto naming malaman what took you so long, kung bakit ngayon ka lang nag-board.
Yeah, because after graduation, I had to work right away. Kailangan ko na magtrabaho. Should I speak in Tagalog? Anyway?
Sige.
Kailangan ko na magtrabaho because of
Opo.
financial difficulties. So, nawala na sa isip ko yung pagre-review. And then after working in the Philippines, nakapag-abroad na ako. I've been here in the Middle East for the past 10 years.
Wow.
Okay.
So,
Saan kayo unang pumunta?
Sa Saudi Arabia.
Alright.
So, at that time, wala pang review center na available, and there is no special professional licensure board examination here in the Middle East.
Apo.
And right now, as you said, we have a choice now na meron na tayong option na mag-review or hindi at mag-take or hindi. So, dun sa mga out there na mga accountants na hindi pa CPA, so you have the choice now, the right thing to do is make the right choice. Take the review and take the board exam here while you are working.
Okay.
Galing.
So, anong mga sakripisyong binigay mo? Bakit ka nakapasa sa at saka first time?
Exactly.
First day?
This is as I lagi kong sinasabi sa mga naging kaklase ko or co-reviewees ko, it's not easy. It's not easy to, as we know, yung board exam ng CPA, mataas yung mortality rate, napakahirap ng exam. So, hindi madaling pumasa at hindi rin madaling mag-review. So, kailangan kapag nag-review ka, ibigay mo lahat-lahat. You have to focus on everything. Ang daming sacrifices na dapat mong gawin or ibigay. Like, lahat ng magagandang bagay na gusto mong gawin, like yung manood lagi ng mga entertainment, mga mag-clubbing ka dito or whatever, yung love life, pwede mong isang tabi muna yan. Para makapag-focus ka sa sa review mo, kasi kapag may determination ka at tinake mo na tong challenge na to, you have to be focused. Otherwise, lahat ng effort mo, lahat ng money, time na in-spend mo, mababaliwala.
Okay. Bakit all of a sudden, nag-isip ka na mag-review?
Oh, that's a good question. That's a good question. Because for the past 10 years I've been in the Middle East, hindi ko na malayan yung kahulugan or kaimportansya ng pagiging CPA. Why? Because I am earning what the CPA could earn before. Pero nung dumating ako sa Dubai just last March 2011 last year, so 7 months pa lang ako dito more or less. Nung nag-a-apply na ako, it's very competitive dito sa Dubai.
You're right.
So, inahanapan ako ng tinatanong kung CPA ako or hindi. So, that what made me decide to take the board exam and may option. So, it's good na merong ganitong facility dito.
Okay. Congratulations sa Erwin Pineda.
Thank you, sir.
Ang next board passer natin si Sherwin Rempilio. Sherwin, pang ilan board exam mo na ba ito?
Actually, pangalawa. Last year kasi conditional ako eh.
Mhm.
Conditional ako. Ngayon, I had to take this isang subject na hindi ko na ipasa last year.
Interesting. So, pag sinabi mong conditional, meron dun sa kinuha mo na hindi mo na ipasa.
Yes, majority should be ng mga subjects ay may pasa mo.
Opo.
Yun
And
po.
bakit?
Yung failing subjects, yun na lang ang kailangan mong i-take.
And how does it feel na ikay nakapasa na ngayon?
Masaya.
Mhm.
Masaya.
So, ilang taon ka nga po na hindi pa nag-exam?
Matagal-tagal na rin kasi pumunta lang ako dito last 2008.
Opo.
2008.
Pero kailan ka nagtapos ng college mo, accounting?
Bata pa yun.
Mga 30.
Ha? Kailan ka nag-aral yung natapos yung accounting?
Yung
course?
accounting ko, long story yung sa case ko naman.
Make it short. Kailan ka nagtapos? Yun lang, kailan ka nagtapos?
2008.
2008 ka rin?
Pero accountant.
Okay. Matagal yung stay sa college.
Hindi, yung nangyari kasi yung parang yung mga, di ba may mga ano doon na may military, yun lang yung mga naiwan ko. Which is required.
ROTC.
Oo, yun. Kaya nung...
Paano pala ako nakalusot doon? Sige, good question.
Okay. So, anong mensahe mo ngayon sa ating mga tagapakinig na maaring dumadaan din or dumaan sa sitwasyon that you have gone through? Anong choices naman ang pwede mong sabihin sa kanila?
Ayun nga po, i-encourage ko po yung mga kaibigan ko. May mga kaibigan kasi ako dito, office mates before, na nalaman nilang nakapasa ako. So, parang gusto na nga rin nilang i-take yung opportunity na naan dito habang nagtatrabaho. So, yun nga po, ini-encourage ko sila na
to
take this
laban lang, basta laban.
Laban lang.
Di ba Bicolano ka? Fight lang.
Oo.
Sabi mo fight lang.
Fight lang.
Fight lang.
Ano ba yan? Fight na yan.
Sige, thank you very much, Sherwin.
Salamat po.
So, Tess, kailan ba yung next board review?
Yung next board review, we have the orientation this coming Friday. That's January 27 at Emirat Atrium, which is like from 8 in the morning until 12 noon. So it's free registration. We are encouraging those to attend the orientation para alam nyo kung ano pa yung kailangan yung mga requirements kasi meron na tayong ibang requirements ngayon. At least you'll be aware na even though matagal na kayo na-graduate, may chance pa rin kayo.
Opo.
So there is a choice.
There is a choice.
So
tapos
it's there.
Ang actual exam is December.
Yeah, ang actual exam is December. So yung taga-PRC pumupunta po dito not only for the CPAs but also for the engineers and architects.
Opo.
So we are not only offering the review here in Dubai, also in Abu Dhabi. So meron din tayong Philippine Middle East CPA review sa Abu Dhabi. Ang klase po nila ay mag-start ngayong February 4.
Okay.
10, sorry.
So may ano pa?
And for Dubai, we have February 17. But it's never too late. So,
it's never too late.
Yeah, I'm inviting, yung mga non-licensed pa na mga accounting graduates to grab the opportunity. We are offering the Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountants, Dubai and Abu Dhabi is offering this to the general, to those
Open.
who are to those accounting graduates. So grab the choice.
Thank you very much.
Opportunity.
Grab
the opportunity. You have the choice.
Sige, maraming salamat, Tess. Ito pala, may announcement pala ang PhilHR. Meron silang Human Resources Management course open for enrollment. It's going on, so they can visit the PhilHR website at www.philhr.org. Open po sa lahat, even non-members. Ito po ang Human Resources management course. Meron po kayong text message 4001